Highland Park's mass shooting has rattled the country, not unlike another high-profile tragedy on Chicago's North Shore, a triple murder in Winnetka more than 3 decades ago. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey joins us live from Highland Park. Megan, the parallels from that old murder case may help provide a legal precedent for survivors of the parade shooting.
Right, Jim, and we're talking about the Langert case from 1990, where a 16-year-old shot and killed his pregnant neighbor and her husband. The family in that case was able to successfully sue the shooter's parents, and they tell me they immediately noticed the connections between their case and the case right here in Highland Park. Today, Jennifer Bishop Jenkins fought back tears as she paid her respects at the memorial in Highland Park.
I immediately saw the parallels between my sister's murderer and this one. Parents who had all the warning signs in the world and just ignored them.
Jennifer's sister, Nancy, who was pregnant at the time, and her husband, Richard, were killed by a young man named David Murrow, who, like the shooter in Highland Park, police were aware of.
Which to me, this is recklessness.
Attorney John Corbett successfully sued Murrow's parents for failing to stop their son from murdering the Langerts in spite of the warning signs.
I think the biggest parallel is the parental responsibility. The parents in this case, they knew that the kid had problems.
Police records show the shooter in the Highland Park case had threatened to kill his family with his collection of knives and swords in September 2019. And in the Murrow case,
Police are called because he attempted to put wood alcohol in the family's milk, which is sort of similar to this, because there's also a threat to kill the family.
Bishop Jenkins has been traveling the country for the better part of 3 decades, pushing for survivors' rights. She teaches people to take threats seriously.
When your children say to you, "I'm going to kill you all," believe them. Believe them. Yes, I do this for them because I didn't want them to die. They were so happy.
Corbett believes a civil lawsuit is likely, noting that in his case, they were able to make a claim on the Murrow family's homeowner's insurance. He says that could be a potential route in this case, one of many actions he and Bishop Jenkins expect to come from this tragedy.
You can't ignore this. You can't ignore this.
And Corbett tells me the Murrow case was one of the first parental responsibility cases here in Illinois. And just to clarify, we're talking about civil liability. As for criminal charges, the Lake County prosecutor has repeatedly been asked whether he will consider charges against the shooter's family. We are waiting to hear. Live in Highland Park, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
Megan, thank you.